Ashwin is your introduction was missed by me. Ashwin is an intern. Have you finished your internship?
Yeah.
Almost. Or
2
done?
weeks back. 2 weeks.
Okay. So you are Dr. Ashwin Pillai now, and you said you are a football enthusiast.
Yeah. I started the football team at Nair when I joined in first year.
Wow. So your first quiz question is: who scored the winning goal in yesterday's El Clasico?
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo.
I saw the match. Actually.
You saw.
I thought I'd study for the quiz, but I found this.
Yeah. Too tempting. Too tempting for.
tempting.
Yesterday was Real Madrid and Barcelona match and 11:55 in the night, and I'm sure he's groggy. Okay, thank you, Ashwin. Your timer starts now. His chosen topic is travel medicine. Travel medicine. Your time starts now. In traveler's diarrhea, loperamide plus an antibiotic works better than the antibiotic alone. True or false?
Symptomatic, true.
True. Accepted. Which one of these two is preferred prophylactic drug for malaria if an Indian visits a sub-Saharan African country? Chloroquine or mefloquine?
Chloroquine.
Incorrect. What drug, you should not prompt, please. What drug used in altitude sickness needs to be avoided in persons who have intolerance to sulfonamides?
Acetazolamide.
Is correct. During a flight, earache typically can occur both during takeoff and landing. The Valsalva maneuver is useful in only takeoff or landing. Which?
Takeoff.
Incorrect. A 28-year-old woman on oral contraceptives taking a non-stop Mumbai-New York flight will be at an increased risk of what?
DVT.
Is correct. The commonest bacterial, louder please, the commonest bacterial cause of travelers diarrhea in Bangkok is Campylobacter, which is resistant to fluoroquinolones. Which is the antibiotic of first choice in Campylobacter?
Azithromycin.
Is correct. What is the dose in milligrams per day of rifaximin as a preventive for travelers diarrhea? The most popular drug to reduce motion sickness is promethazine thiodate, which is safe even in pregnancy. What is the most popular brand name of promethazine?
Pass.
What is the duration of validity of a yellow fever vaccine?
10 years, but lifelong. The certificate is 10 years and
correct.
the vaccine is
I give it to you. Showering just before dusk, protecting ankles, wearing light colored clothes and avoiding perfumes are instructions given to travelers to protect against what?
Could you repeat that?
Showering just before dusk, protecting ankles, wearing light colored clothes, avoiding perfumes.
Pass.
Protect against what?
Pass.
In diabetics on insulin, an extra insulin dose will be required when the day becomes longer. Which one of these two causes the day to become longer? Traveling east to west or west to east?
East to west.
Correct. Which drug started 2 days prior to arrival in India in a dose of 100 milligram per day gives protection against both malaria and traveler's diarrhea?
Doxycycline.
Correct. Air travel is to be avoided for 24 hours after which adventure sport?
Deep sea diving.
Is correct. If Coke or Pepsi taste very different when you are in Leh, what is the reason?
Atmospheric pressure difference.
Incorrect.
Less fizzy.
Incorrect. Which chemical is considered the gold standard insect repellent?
Insect. DEET.
Is correct. What is the dose in milligrams per day of rifaximin
Pass.
as a preventive? The most popular drug for motion sickness is promethazine. Brand name?
Vertin.
Is incorrect. And showering just before dusk, protecting ankles and wearing light colored clothes, avoiding perfumes are instructions given to travelers to protect against what?
Sunburn.
Is incorrect. 9 out of 15. Okay, I'll just give the correct answers. Mefloquine is used for sub-Saharan Africa because falciparum is the in illness more common, and chloroquine does not work against falciparum. During landing, you have to use the Valsalva maneuver. You have to use the reverse Valsalva, like inhale deeply while going up. 200 milligram per day is the prophylactic dose of rifaximin for travelers diarrhea. Avomin is the brand name of promethazine. Mosquito bites are to be prevented by wearing light colored clothes, etc. And Coke and Pepsi, anybody, they taste different in Leh Ladakh because it tastes different to patients who take acetazolamide. Acetazolamide changes the taste of fizzy drinks. And D was correct. Thank you for your first session. You scored 9 out of 15. Thank you. Ashwin, your second set. Timer starts now. A treadmill stress test is more commonly false positive in which gender, male or female?
Female.
Correct. In a patient with low serum vitamin D and a normal serum calcium, one should supplement only vitamin D and not calcium. True
False.
or false?
False.
Correct. Is it possible in a rare instance for one mosquito bite to transmit simultaneously malaria and dengue in a person? Yes or no? Rarely, one mosquito
Yes.
bite, both. Incorrect. The interesting, if rare symptom of pain over enlarged lymph nodes on consumption of alcohol is a feature of which cancer?
Lymphoma.
Is correct. If a patient of COPD is also a heavy smoker, will he require a higher dose or a lower dose than normal of theophylline?
So higher
See-
dose than normal.
Is correct. What kind of azotemia will be characterized by BUN to creatinine ratio greater than 20? Pre-renal, renal or post-renal? BUN to creatinine ratio
Pre-renal.
is correct. If an NRI residing in the US tells you that his blood sugar level is 10 millimoles per liter, what is the reading in milligrams per 100 ml?
180.
Is correct. 6 teaspoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt and 1 liter of water is a formula to make what at home?
Could you repeat that?
6 teaspoons of sugar and half teaspoons of salt and 1 liter of water is a formula to make what at home?
ORS.
Is correct. What injectable needs to be administered in a woman of B negative blood group who has a recent spontaneous abortion or miscarriage?
Anti-D.
Is correct. A single dose of ivermectin 200 microgram per kg can be effective in which parasitic infestation?
Pass.
The Amsler grid can be used in the OPD to test for which ophthalmic disorder in the elderly?
Squint.
Incorrect. Beta blockers are typically withdrawn after a treadmill test, but they are typically added before a particular cardiac investigation. Which?
CT angio. Reduce heart rate.
Correct. What lung disease does a person have if for glaucoma he is given latanoprost eye drops instead of timolol to avoid complications?
Bronchial asthma.
Is correct. Metformin should be avoided if serum creatinine is more than 1.5 as it may increase the incidence of which side effect? Metformin.
Pass.
A patient comes with intermittent ptosis worsening at the end of the day. You ask for a blood test for anti-acetylcholine receptor antibodies to diagnose what?
Myasthenia gravis.
Is correct. A single dose of ivermectin 200 microgram per kg body weight effective in which parasitic infestation? Anything else?
Nematodes.
Sorry?
Nematodes. Roundworm infection.
I'll give it to you. You are right. Metformin should be avoided if creatinine is 1.5 or more because it increases the incidence of which side effect? Anything else?
Lactic acidosis.
Is correct. 13 on 15. The total of Ashwin is 22.